Okay, so for today, I'm just doing the counters in the bathrooms because my back is actually sore from yesterday. I was bent over the oven for I don't know how long. And I'm also trying to catch up on these videos because today is December 3rd and I'm currently in progress of doing my third day, and I did this yesterday. It's a lot trying to post content with the kids and stuff, but I do need to get all of this done anyways. I think people underestimate just how long it takes to like properly clean a house if you're having people over. Like, this isn't just, oh, like this is a fun thing I'm doing for YouTube. Like, this is like, if I'm having people over, I am starting to clean 2 weeks ahead of time. Like, because there's just so much to cleaning a house. And so today, like I said, this is from yesterday. So today I'm doing windows and mirrors. Honestly, I'm about halfway through and it's been 45 minutes of my day, and it's been broken up throughout the day as well because I'm obviously also taking care of 3 children. So yeah, it's kind of crazy. So anyways, this is day 2. I'm cleaning the counters, like scrubbing everything down. I'm not tidying the stuff up either. I decluttered our bathroom, but basically I just want everything clean and scrubbed down so that when I do declutter for when everyone's over, at least I know that the counters have been properly scrubbed and like they're clean. If you haven't already, you can subscribe to follow along for the rest of December deep cleaning. I am also going to do eggnog this year, like homemade classic eggnog that like has to ferment for 2 weeks. So I'm also excited about doing a video for that. I just love Christmas and like the holiday time, so I am just like so pumped and want to post everything that I'm doing because it's my favorite time of the year. Once I'm done fighting through day 3, because wow, this is actually a lot, I will hopefully be uploading it the same day as I'm uploading day 2, which is December 3rd. Hopefully. We're hoping. We're fighting through now.